राज्यात खाणबंदीमुळे आर्थिक संकट उभं राहिलं असलं तरी खाणपट्ट्यातील कृषी क्षेत्राला त्याचा चांगला फायदा झाल्याची माहिती कृषी संचालकांनी पत्रकारांना दिली। या खाणबंदीमुळे शेतीला पर्याय नसल्याचं नागरिकांच्या लक्षात आल्यानं यंदा धारबांधोड्यासारख्या खाणपट्ट्यात लोक मोठ्या प्रमाणात शेतीकडे वळले आहेत। त्यांच्या मदतीसाठी कृषी खात्यानेही प्रयत्न सुरू केल्याची माहिती त्यांनी दिली।
See, people are now aware that agriculture is one of the long-term sustainable means of livelihood for people in the mining areas. So there have been a number of approaches which have taken place. So seedlings of chilies, tomato, etc. have been provided in such type of areas, besides the common ladyfinger and cucurbits. We are also trying to promote integrated farming. Integrated farming means besides crops, horticulture, rearing of animals such as cattle, goats, backyard poultry, etc. Then also inland fisheries by promoting sweetwater fish culture. So at the moment on these aspects motivation, guidance to people is being carried out. And we had a Krishi Mahotsav at Sankling in the first week of June, which was targeted towards mining affected people in particular. So the response was moderate, but for us, at least if some people take that message, that will spread out and we'll be able to cover more people. So this is our focus for the coming months in these mining areas, and there have been people who have appreciated the efforts and are supporting us, and already in the field some activities have started taking place.
दरम्यान सांत इस्तेव भागात सामूहिक शेतीचा अभिनव उपक्रम सुरू करण्यात आला असून इथल्या शेतकऱ्यांनी त्याला चांगला प्रतिसाद दिल्याचं यावेळी कृषी अधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगितलं।
Now one new community farming project is coming up at Sant Isteva, where 50 hectares of field which was barren, which was not cultivated or fallow for the last almost 20-25 years is being brought under cultivation. Ploughing was done in a joint effort where NGOs, well-wishers and very motivated native residents of the village, the panchayat, the parish priest and so many this tenant association committee members, along with agriculture department officers, including Atma North project director, deputy project director, etc. They all joined hands to see that work started, and already about 20 hectares of land has been transplanted.
शेती हा आर्थिक बळकटी देणारा व्यवसाय झाल्यास युवा पिढी शेतीकडे वळेल हेच सूत्र लक्षात घेऊन कृषी खातं प्रयत्नशील असल्याचं यावेळी कृषी अधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगितलं।
There are challenges in agriculture. Many people are leaving cultivation due to whatever reasons. But we simultaneously now we find we are trying to promote agriculture, and there are people who had stopped agriculture who are coming back slowly. So the efforts are on to arrest the decline in the area. This is the challenge which we'll have to face, and our main challenge is to make this agriculture activity a profitable one, because if there is money in it, people will automatically come into agriculture. So we are focusing on various types of mechanization. Now this time we have targeted to bring about 500 hectares of paddy under mechanical transplanting. It saves time, it saves a little money, and it is very convenient to farmers. Those farmers who cannot give full-time attention to their fields, employ laborers, supervise, etc. For them, this type of mechanization is a way out. They can, if they have a desire to cultivate their fields, they can definitely do it.